How to fix Apple Media Services changed. Hello everyone, I am Mishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, accept the new terms. So go ahead and launch the settings application and tap on your Apple ID at top, and then tap on media and purchases, and then on view account option you see there. If prompted, accept the updated terms and conditions. Next step is to sign out and back into media and purchases. So in settings again, tap on your Apple ID and then go to media and purchases and tap on the sign out option you see there. Wait a few seconds and tap on it again and then sign in. Next, check your payment method. Sometimes this issue hides a billing problem, so in settings again, tap on your Apple ID and then on payment and shipping option. Make sure a valid payment method is added. Next fix is to sign out of Apple ID completely. So, in your Apple ID again, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the sign out option. Sign yourself out and go ahead and restart your iPhone and then open App Store and see if the new terms and conditions still appear. So this is how you can fix Apple Media Services changed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.